Okay. In life, we all go through pain and sorrow. I've been crying in the rain, releasing my pain. Crying in the, I've been crying in the rain. Know that. I miss you, G-B. What it is. When I look up in the sky, I ask God why am I that guy that lost so much and still try. I shine so bright but I don't see it because I'm blind. I'm climbing the vine and it's leading me to a new time where it's good, where we can fly, where I can see my mama, my papa, my brothers and my sisters. I've been crying in the rain, I ain't ashamed, release the pain. I pray harder now, I'm just trying to stay sane. If I ever disappear, world, remember my name. Cartel Millennium, a young black king. I was sent to let the world know to follow their dreams. You can do anything, all you gotta do is believe and breathe, and you will stand taller than a tree. Know that. I've been crying in the rain, releasing my pain. Crying in the rain, releasing my pain. Crying in the rain, releasing my pain. Crying in the, I've been crying in the rain. Know that we can do anything as long as we believe. No matter who you lost in life, always believe that there's angels sent here to guide us to freedom. Sent here to teach us to stay strong no matter what. No matter. I've been crying in the rain, releasing my pain. Know that. To the whole wide world, stand up. Crying in the rain. What it is. R.P. G.B. Mickey. Oh no. Lil Boo. Slick. Frog. Uncle Swole. All my peoples, it is what it is. I've been crying in the rain, releasing my pain.